I'm Ruben Thomas, and I'm coding the University of Huddersfield Collaborative Application Interactive Application.
What are we calling this thing?
We don't have a name for it yet. But I'm Niall Percy. I'm head of music and coordination of the entire project, it seems.
I'm Matt Chidaki. I am lead graphic designer, and I will be overseeing all the UI designs.
Hi, I'm Alex Tack, and I'm doing the building the website for the app itself.
The application itself is based upon the idea of interactive and dynamic music, which is now used in video games, where actions of a player will and the music responds to it by playing different cues that interlock to each other. We're using an app where we're using a questionnaire, which is a personal answer, which will hopefully help determine mood, personality, feelings, and just general likeness of the person. And music, and the app will pick out a piece of music, or a cue from a library of music we have, which will match up to 5, is it altogether we're doing?
5 questions, yeah.
5 questions, so 5 cues, different cues of music will interlock, hopefully similarly unique and random. For this we've used various techniques to make it more random, which Ruben will explain more.
Yep. So the idea is that the app will ask you a question, and then the answer to that question will affect a track of music that is played. As subsequent questions are asked, the track playing in the background will be layered up, in effect building you a piece of music based on your personality. There'll also be interactive and hopefully audio responsive visuals in the background of the app.
For the visuals, what we're hoping to do is create something that will change and adapt to your style of music that you have chosen throughout the app. So if it's say it's a quite deep, dark set of music that you've created, the visualizer will sort of try and implement this. We're thinking about having a starting object, which will then create and form a new object or expand in certain ways, and then you can also interact with this as you go throughout the app. So that's the plans for the visuals anyway.
And hopefully the visuals will tend to grow with the music.
The website's basically there just to show off work that the rest of the team's doing on the app itself, and just to promote the app the closer we get to the release. So yes.
Also promoting the app, it's also so we can create a blog, like a news update, so we can say how we've developed our skills with the product, how we work with the product, how we make connections, networks, etc. Also going to include Twitter feed. I think you're going to try and put on.
Yeah, Twitter feeds. It's going to be the major one, among other stuff like media.
Yeah, we're going to put any videos related to what we do, but we're hopefully going to try and create. Sounds a bit cheesy, but a trailer for the app.
We basically want people to know about it and to get interested and involved, maybe even contribute music or ideas for questions, that kind of thing.
Yeah, because we're hoping if we do this, continue to expand on it, the future kind of be we'll just keep creating more music and question packs for people to download and make it a bit more varied, and you'll be able to switch out the questions and music packs throughout. It may take a bit more memory on your phone. We should have stated before that it's for any iOS device that we're developing for.
Yep.
So that means iPad, iPhone, iPod.
Yeah. And the thing about music submission, that's really where the collaboration aspect, how Collabhub helped us. We need a lot of music for this app, an awful lot of music. We're talking probably an hour or so total, maybe 2 hours of music. And that's very difficult for one person to write on their own, which is where Collabhub comes in. We've got hopefully 3, 4, 5 composers. If you're watching this and you're a composer, you should help.
We kind of knew each other already, and we were just waiting around to see if anyone came to us, talk to us for any reason. We just started talking about ideas, and this one came to our head. So we decided to develop on it. That we needed a Collabhub, like we even said, to create more musicians, to get in touch with writers, to help write the questions based around personality and all that. We weren't sure whether to create a small in a sense, a production company, so we can make future projects underneath the same kind of like label. Whether that for us to collaborate with each other again and asking if they actually want to help out. But then we decided we're not really sure if we're going to do other projects in the future together, like other projects. So we've decided in the end just to do a single app for now, and the future for that would be, as I said before, to switch out packs, as it were, and expanded packs of questions and music, maybe extra visual.
Hopefully visuals, yeah.
Yeah,
that'd be good. Our main focus at the moment is just getting this out the door, finished, done.
Yeah, we decided basically yesterday, because we weren't sure entirely the direction of the project, that it's mainly a project for extension of our work, and something we can say about in the future. Hey, we've worked on this application. It's got so many downloads on the App Store and it's free. It's what we worked on in university or whatever. It's in a way to put on our CVs because we're all interested in the areas that we're developing on the app. So
will hopefully act as a gateway to more professional projects in the future.
Yeah.
I guess.
Yeah.
I think at the moment it's quite a novelty application. As such, we're going to get the best reception and the most sort of publicity, the best response if we release as a free application.
We're not aiming to actually make a profit off this. It's just a side project to help our CVs grow.
Yeah, and hopefully everyone involved.
Yeah. Because on the website we're going to include, and on the app itself we have a credits page that includes everyone's name and how they collaborated, even if it's a very small thing. And on the website, if they have any, we'll provide links to their SoundCloud accounts, portfolios, websites, whatever the person has.
So if anyone's interested in actually joining in, this is a perfect opportunity to increase your CV and create a bit of talk about yourself.
We'll try to keep the website running for as long as we can, obviously. But originally we were only trying to make profit, like charging just to kind of like pay for the dev license, because we have to pay £100, and then it would have cost more money to put it on the App Store for sale. Whereas if we put it for free, it costs nothing. So in the end, that seemed more viable than risking the chance of not making the money back. But Collabhub also helped because the enterprise team, we met with them yesterday to discuss how we could market our project and how we go through future development of it. One of the things we advised on to do by the enterprise team in terms of marketing was to research who our target focus group is. Therefore, within the next 2 weeks, we plan to set up and hopefully set up a focus group to which, if you're interested, try and get in contact with, because we need people to do that. I'm also going to be trying to do a anonymous survey, mainly because the enterprise team didn't understand who our target audience was and how it would affect us. We've been developing that from our perspective, not from an audience perspective. So at the minute it's only stuff that we think would be good. Whereas we want to see what other people think would be a good idea for it, etc.
We need to find out what music is popular, what people want to see, what people want to hear. And hopefully that in the end will help us to produce a better application that people will actually want to download.
Yeah, because a feature that we never thought of, but yesterday the enterprise member thought of, was the ability to send the said piece of music and save the pieces of music that were created by the app. Ideas that we didn't really think of straight away. So
We are, and thank you for watching Collabhub News.